Back to the 30 Days of JavaScript challenge. Today we are on our last of the basic array transformations, and we are doing the array reduce transformation problem. Let's do it. Array reduce transformation. Given an integer array nums, a reducer function fn, and an initial value in it, return the final result obtained by executing the fn function on each element of the array, subsequently passing in the return value from the calculation on the preceding element. All right, so one thing to note, we need to initialize with our init. It should always be our first value we use. It says here, if the length of the array is 0, the function should return init. All right, let's do this. So we know if our length is equal to 0, we just return init. Otherwise, we're going to do a simple for loop. And then we are going to use a ternary operator. Oh, wait, let's quickly assign a variable output, which is equal to 0. This is what we're going to grab our previous value with. So what we're going to do is say output is equal, and then we need to check if our I is equal to 0, because then we know to use our init value within the function. So we'll use init and then our current array index, and then otherwise we just have to use our previous output variable. All right, this should work. So what we're doing is we're keeping track of every function call with this output variable. So what we're doing is we're making sure that if it's the first index within our for loop, we use init. Otherwise, we just use output, and we're always returning the return value of these functions to our output variable. So let's try it out. There we go. We have been accepted. Let's submit it. And there we go. We're accepted. Our runtime is definitely needs some work, but our memory usage is quite good. So that's it for part 7 of the 30 Days of JavaScript challenge. Thank you for watching. Code Bit out.